We have professional designers who can design drawings for you. Receive the customer's order for steel structures. First, cut the raw materials according to the customer's drawings. Then weld the cutting parts. We can customize the packaging according to the customer's requirements. Spray paint to galvanize the welded components. We can also provide customized services such as cutting and punching. We welcome your inquiries regardless of the order size.
双面埋不焊。激光切割打眼儿。这边切板，这边切金刚。